Almost 90% of Mercedes owners are driving around every single day completely unaware of features their car already has built in. Not aftermarket add-ons, not dealer upgrades, features that came standard from the factory, sitting there, unused, costing them nothing. And here's the wild part. One of these features, if you don't know how to use it correctly, could lead you straight to a $2,500 service bill that was totally avoidable. Mercedes engineers packed these cars with tricks that even the sales team forgets to mention. So here are 10 secret Mercedes features that only 1% of drivers actually know about. Let's begin now with secret number 10. Secret number 10, the automatic rain sensing wipers override. You've probably noticed your Mercedes wipers sometimes kick in on their own. That's the rain sensor doing its job. But here's what most drivers don't know. If the wipers are moving too fast or too slow for what's actually happening outside, you don't have to switch to manual mode and lose the automation entirely. On most modern Mercedes models from 2018 onward, you can adjust the rain sensor's sensitivity directly from the stalk controls or through the MBUX infotainment screen under Vehicle Settings, then Assistant Systems. You get 5 sensitivity levels. Set it lower and the wipers stay quiet in light drizzle. Set it higher and they kick in the moment a single drop hits the glass. Here's the kicker. A lot of drivers switch to manual wipers in the rain because they're annoyed by the auto speed, and then they forget to switch back. Driving home in bright sunshine with your wipers flopping back and forth, that's a dead giveaway you didn't know this setting existed. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could literally save you an embarrassing roadside situation. Secret number 9, the tire pressure reset you're doing wrong. Every Mercedes has a tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, and most drivers think hitting that reset button after inflating the tires is all you need. But here's the deal. The Mercedes TPMS doesn't actually measure pressure directly in most models. It uses wheel speed sensors to detect when one tire is rotating slightly faster than the others, which happens when it's underinflated. So if you reset the system before the car has driven at least 10 minutes above 30 miles per hour, the system hasn't had a chance to calibrate properly. You'll get a false green light, think everything is fine, and then the warning pops back on 3 days later. The correct process is inflate all 4 tires to the exact spec on the door jamb sticker, not the tire sidewall, then drive for at least 10 to 15 minutes before hitting reset in the MBUX menu under Vehicle, then Tires. Do it in that order and it works perfectly every single time. You'd be very much surprised by this next secret. Secret number 8. The hidden garage door transmitter. Most Mercedes owners don't realize their car came with a built-in home link transmitter, and it can store up to 3 garage door, gate, or home lighting codes directly in the overhead console or the sun visor, depending on your model year. You never need a clipped-on remote again. Programming it takes about 60 seconds. Hold your existing remote 2 to 4 inches from the home link buttons, press both simultaneously until the indicator light flashes rapidly, then sync it with your garage door's receiver. On newer models with MBUX, you can even label each saved code so you know which button opens the garage, which controls the gate, and which one triggers the driveway lights. According to Mercedes-Benz documentation, this feature is available on nearly all C-Class, E-Class, and GLE models from 2016 onward. But fewer than 15% of owners ever set it up. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Secret number 7, the engine start inhibitor trick for cold mornings. Here's something Mercedes never advertises loudly. On diesel and many petrol Mercedes models, if you press and hold the start button for just under 3 seconds, rather than giving it a quick press, the car runs a full glow plug preheating cycle on diesels, or a slightly longer fuel prime cycle on petrol engines before cranking. In temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, this single habit can reduce engine wear significantly during cold starts. Mechanics charge anywhere from $300 to $600 for cold start related injector cleaning, because most drivers just stab the start button and drive immediately. The engine is at its most vulnerable in the first 30 seconds. Holding that button for 2 to 3 seconds costs you nothing and can extend your injector lifespan by tens of thousands of miles. That's not a marketing claim. That's just basic combustion engine physics working in your favor. Secret number 6, adaptive Highbeam assist and why yours might be off. Mercedes' intelligent light system, available on most models from 2015 onward, includes an adaptive Highbeam feature that automatically dims your lights when it detects oncoming traffic or a car ahead of you. The problem? On many vehicles, this feature ships from the factory in a limited mode or turned partially off because regulations vary by country. In the MBUX system, go to Vehicle, then Lighting, then Active Highbeam Assist. Make sure it's set to automatic rather than manual. Here's the kicker. Some dealers also deactivate it during pre-delivery inspection in certain markets to avoid customer complaints about flickering. If you've been manually flipping between high and low beams at night, check this setting before your next night drive. Studies have shown that properly calibrated adaptive high beams reduce nighttime driving fatigue by nearly 20%, according to research from the European Road Safety Observatory. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. If you made it here, we'd really appreciate you liking the video. It helps us make more car tips content just like this, totally free for you. Secret number 5. The seat memory linked to your key fob. Most Mercedes owners know the seats have memory presets. What they don't know is that each preset can be linked directly to a specific key fob. So when your spouse drives and uses their key, the seat automatically moves to their position. When you get back in with your key, it slides right back to yours without pressing a single button. You set this up in MBUX under Vehicle, then Seats and Mirrors, then Memory. Each of the 2 or 3 save positions can be assigned to Key 1 or Key 2. This also includes mirror positions, and on some S-Class and E-Class models, even the steering column tilt. If you've been fighting over seat positions every morning, this is a 2-minute fix that ends the argument permanently. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Secret number 4. The battery discharge protection you didn't know was watching over you. Mercedes vehicles have a smart battery management system that monitors your 12-volt auxiliary battery independently from your main drive system. If you leave the car parked with the ignition off but interior lights on, a door slightly ajar, or accessories drawing power, the system will automatically cut power to non-essential circuits after a set time, typically 30 minutes. But here's what they don't tell you. You can customize this threshold. In vehicles with MBUX, under Vehicle Settings, you can adjust how aggressively the system protects the battery. Set it to high protection if you park for long periods, and the car will even send a low battery warning to the Mercedes Me app on your phone before the battery drops to a critical level. Roadside battery jump starts cost anywhere from $75 to $150 through AAA or a tow service. This one setting could save you that call entirely. Secret number 3. The parking camera cleaning cycle. On most Mercedes with the 360-degree camera system, there's a built-in washer nozzle for the rear camera lens. After a rainy drive or muddy reversing situation, that camera gets coated in grime and the image goes blurry. Most drivers either ignore it or try wiping the lens manually, which can actually scratch the coating over time. Here's the real fix. On vehicles with the Command or MBUX system, go to the camera display while in reverse, then press and hold the screen, or use the camera options menu to trigger the camera wash cycle. It sprays a small amount of washer fluid directly onto the lens and clears it in seconds. On some models, this even happens automatically when you activate the rear washer. This feature alone can save you from a $200 to $400 camera replacement caused by scratched lenses from improper manual cleaning. Secret number 2, the ambient lighting color therapy trick. This sounds small, but it genuinely changes how fatigued you feel on long drives. Mercedes ambient lighting, available on C-Class, E-Class, S-Class, GLC, and GLE models from around 2019 onward, does more than look pretty. The color temperature you choose actually affects your alertness. According to research in automotive human factors design, cooler blue and white tones keep your attention sharper during night driving. Warmer amber and red tones help you feel relaxed on slow evening commutes. Most drivers pick a color they like aesthetically and never change it, but spending 2 seconds switching from warm amber to a cool blue tone during a highway night drive can genuinely reduce drowsiness. Mercedes engineers built this in with that exact research in mind. You're essentially using a scientifically designed interior light to manage your own energy level on the road. And that brings us to secret number 1, the one that could save you from the biggest bill of all. Secret number 1, the hidden service interval counter your dealer hopes you don't find. Here's the deal. Every Mercedes has an Assist Plus or service interval display that doesn't just tell you when service is due, it tracks your specific driving style and calculates a personalized interval. If you mostly drive highways at steady speeds, your oil change interval may extend to 12,000 or even 15,000 miles. If you do mostly short city trips, it may flag you at 7,000 miles. The problem is that most dealers default to booking you in every 5,000 miles, regardless of what your car is actually telling you. You can find your real interval by going to the instrument cluster menu, scrolling to service, then selecting Assist Plus or Maintenance. It shows exactly how many days and miles remain before each specific service is genuinely needed. According to Mercedes-Benz North America documentation, following Assist Plus recommendations rather than generic intervals actually results in better long-term engine health. Drivers who ignore this and either overservice or underservice their car based on generic schedules spend an average of $400 to $800 more per year than necessary. Your car is telling you exactly what it needs. Most people just never look. So there you have it, 10 secret Mercedes features that the majority of drivers never discover, even after years of ownership. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments. I'm genuinely curious how many people knew about number 1. And if you want more hidden car tips, maintenance tricks, and money-saving features for your specific vehicle, make sure you subscribe. We drop new car tips videos every week, and every single one is designed to save you time, money, and hassle on the road.